Example 1. 10 tanks are decreasing in size in such a way that the capacity of each tank is half of the capacity of the previous tank. The largest tank is empty, but the other 9 tanks are full of oil. Prove that the largest tank can hold all the oil from the other 9 tanks. Solution. Let us try to empty the containers filled with oil one by one into the largest container that is empty. We see that the second container, when emptied, only fills half the height of the first container. The unfilled height of the first container is also the height of the second container. The third container, when emptied, fills only half of this unfilled height. The fourth container, when emptied, fills only half of the new unfilled height. If we continue in this way, we can conjecture that the nth container will only fill half of the unfilled height of the first container after the containers numbered 2 to n-1 have first been emptied into the first container. So, the first container will never be full. In other words, the first container can hold all the oil from the other 9 tanks. Let us prove this using an alternate method, using our knowledge of sequences. Let the capacity of the largest tank be C. Then capacities of the remaining 9 tanks will be, we can see that the common ratio R is constant and is 1/2. Therefore, the capacities of the 9 tanks form a geometric sequence. If we know the total volume of oil in the 9 tanks, we can compare that value to the capacity of the 10th tank. To calculate the total volume of the oil in the 9 tanks, we can determine the sum of 9 terms of this sequence. Sn equals A times 1 minus R to the power n over 1 minus R. Here, substituting the values, we get S9 equals 0,99804687.5 times C. Therefore, S9 is less than C. Thus, we have proved that the largest tank has the capacity to hold the total volume of oil from all the other 9 tanks.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.